What's going on, you guys? Brandon Cordero back with another box to unbox. Today this one is from HoneyBrand, and we're just gonna jump right into it and see what we got inside. I'm pretty excited. I got my handy dandy box cutter, which you will be seeing in upcoming videos of unboxings. Savage. Oh, it's lit. First off, they sent your boy a sweater. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. They hooked me up because they know fall is coming soon, so they hooked me up with a new gear. Oh, nice. HoneyBrand shirt. Oh, blessed it with another sweater. Nice. Of course they had to throw in mad shirts, because they always look out and show mad love. You can get all of this at HoneyBrandCo.com too, if you ever want to get your own. You ever get tired of looking at unboxing videos. Yeah, this one looks sick. This is like a long sleeve. Sick. Oh yeah, nice. I'm hyped on this one again. And last but not least, this one, and I have one last one. Yeah. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.